Yo, new working codes in Blue Lock Rivals. Today's video will be going over and showing you every single new working code in Blue Lock Rivals that you can actually redeem and get yourself a bunch of free lucky spins. Sadly, I don't see the wheel. The wheel is gone for a while. The wheel is completely removed from the game, so you cannot redeem. You cannot even like spin the wheel. Like I was spinning the wheel every day, okay? I was spinning the wheel every single day and now it's gone. So guys, we got some secret new working codes into this video and you can actually get yourself some free lucky spins as well as some free extra slots. If you need an extra slot, comment down below the latest and greatest update. So if you comment down below monk, wait, is that the monk? What is the latest character? King. Alright, comment down below king. If you comment down below king, you'll be getting a extra slot, okay? You'll be getting an extra slot if you comment down below king, so you can actually get yourself some free slots. As you guys can see, don't miss any codes. Comment down below king so you can actually get yourself some free slots in Blue Lock Rivals. I'll be gifting those to you guys. We'll be gifting 5 slots. 5 slots we will be giving away to you guys so you can actually get yourself some free slots. Now the first code that you want to redeem, 5 million King, 5 million king, 1.5 million. So the first code, it is king 1.5 million in Blue Lock right now, with the latest character being added, the king of them all. Now the next code will be reworked king rework. Make sure you guys redeem king rework. Also don't forget to like the video and subscribe. This is the next code. Now we have another code, is the goal sui code rush. Sui, we get the goal rush code. This is the next code. Make sure you guys redeem the next code. Get yourself a bunch of free rewards in Blue Lock Rivals right away. This is a very crazy video for me to make because there's so many lucky spins. Kaiser, have you heard that name? Okay, have you heard it? Kaiser is in the game as well and he has a code. The code is Kaiser Fix. Redeem Kaiser Fix for some lucky spinneronis. Code 10. Lucky code 10. That is the next code. A lucky code. Make sure you guys redeem this code and get yourself a bunch of lucky spins. MCCU, MIR O1MCCU. Okay, so that is the next code. Redeem the next code for Blue Lock Rivals. Also don't forget to comment down below the secret word if you want a free slot. If you don't want a free slot, feel free to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If not, then it's also fine. Okay, it's also fine. You won't be getting any lucky spins. Kaiser 2 million. Redeem Kaiser 2 million. Shaboom, shabang, aboom.